Hello, my dear students. First of all, I would like to welcome to Class 11 Arts. Since you might not have studied economics in your class 10, some of you might have taken it as your 6 subjects. So, nothing is there to worry. If you start it from the beginning and if you concentrate, you will be able to understand the subjects in a better way. So, today here I am going to discuss the content and the syllabus that we are supposed to start in class 11 arts. So first we have theory portion that is of 80 marks and project we have 20 marks. Now in the case of this theory portion, various chapters are there. I will discuss one by one and what are the content in that chapter. I am going to discuss that. Okay, now first chapter we have understanding of economics, or we can say this is the first part and the content. Okay, content in that first part we have first chapter definition of economics. So there are various definitions given by the different economists we have to discuss in this chapter. Or second one we have microeconomics and macroeconomics. So here we have to understand the concept of microeconomics and macroeconomics as well as their difference. Okay, difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. And the next one we have basic problems of an economy. So in the case of basic problems, we have to study about what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. Okay, and the different central problems as well as different economic problems of an economy we have to discuss in this chapter, basic problems of an economy. Next one we have types of economies. In the case of these types of economies we have to study about different types of economies like capitalist economy, socialist, mixed economy, agricultural economies and industrial economies as well. So these are included in types of economies. The second part covers the Indian economic development portion or development economics. So in development economics we have to discuss about the introduction part. How or what are the part of development, what we can include in the development, so that we have to discuss it. Next one, parameter of development. So what are the indicators to judge or to taste the development. Next one we have planning and economic development. So here we have to study about the different 5-year plan, first 5-year plan, second 5-year plan and so on. Next one we have structural changes in Indian economy. So here structural changes means how our economy is changing from agriculture to the industrial and the manufacturing as well as service sector. So that structural changes we have to study. Next one we have economic growth and economic development. And next one we have sustainable development. So these all are the parts included in the economic development. Third portion covers the statistics. Okay, so in this portion we have to study about the definition of statistics, its scope and limitation. And the next one we have collection, presentation and analysis of data. So these all are the part of that statistics. The next thing we have to study in this statistics is measures of central tendency. So these measures of central tendency includes mean, median and mode. Next one we have correlation. Okay, so here we have to study about different types of correlation, correlation coefficient, rank correlation coefficient we have to discuss in this chapter. Next one we have index number. Okay, so here we have to study about the different types of index number. Next one we have some statistical tools used in economics. So here we have to use the different formula to solve the different economic problems. So here we have to apply the statistics. Whatever we have learned in the part of the statistics, we have to apply it. Application part we have to study in this chapter. Some statistical tools used in economics. So economics we will end today here only, and the first chapter we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.